Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Najat Badr. So today I'm going to show you how I treat my dark circles. I'm having this around my eyes. It's kind of dark, yeah, as you can see. Have these dark circles on it. Oh, it's not so good on this side of my lips, yeah. So I'm gonna show you how to I really do it, how I do it. I do it naturally. I don't use any chemical or anything because this part here is so sensitive. So I recommend you use natural remedy. You can use turmeric, you can use the aloe vera, you can use the honey, but as for me, I'm using turmeric and the lemon. So let me show you how I do it. So I'm having the turmeric, the lemon, the knife, and the tin. So I'm going to get some juice, lemon juice. I mix it in the turmeric to have a paste in this tin. So I'll cut my lemon. This is my juicy lemon, so juicy. So I have my juice in this tin. Wow. See? So I'm having my lemon juice. So juicy. So juicy. Wow, look at that. So I'm gonna mix with the turmeric. So I'm gonna mix with the turmeric, like 2 spoons of turmeric. So after mixing this lemon juice with the turmeric, I have this paste, yeah. So you have to make sure you mix it very well to have a good paste before applying on your under eyes and your lips, yeah. Yeah, so I'll apply off camera, then I'll come back and show you how it is. So guys, I'm done applying. This is how it looks like after applying under your eyes and under lips, under your lips, especially those who have dry lips. I recommend you use turmeric, and you can mix with honey. If you don't have honey, you can use sugar, brown sugar. You can mix it with brown sugar to apply on your lips, yeah. So I'm gonna leave it on for some few minutes, maybe like 2 minutes, yeah, and then I'll wash it off. So you know it gets messy sometimes, but it's okay. So after washing it off, I apply this. This is Vaseline. This is Vaseline. I apply on my lips and on my under eyes. Okay. So hope this helps for those who have problem with dark circles as I do. Yeah, because it's really, we should not be wearing makeup every time, everywhere you're going. You do makeup. You have to leave your skin to rest. You have to leave your skin to breathe. Yeah, so I recommend you use natural remedies, because it's not good to use chemicals around your eyes. If you don't have turmeric and lemon, you can use aloe vera. You can use aloe vera mixed with honey. Yeah, I think I can make a video on that. It can show you how that can be used as well. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new, kindly subscribe to my new channel. I love you. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. I'm looking cute. Yeah, I'm looking cute with turmeric on my face.